Learn Computer Basic is an Android application aimed at providing users with foundational knowledge and skills in computer usage and technology. This app is particularly beneficial for beginners who want to familiarize themselves with essential computer concepts, operations, and tools. Typically, the application covers a wide range of topics, including basic hardware and software components, operating systems, file management, internet browsing, and essential productivity applications such as word processors and spreadsheets. The content is often presented in an accessible format, combining text, illustrations, and interactive quizzes to reinforce learning. Learn Computer Basic may also include practical exercises and scenarios to help users apply what they learn in real-life contexts, enhancing their understanding and confidence in using computers. Many versions offer progress tracking, allowing users to monitor their advancement through the curriculum. Overall, Learn Computer Basic serves as a valuable resource for Android users seeking to build their computer skills, making technology more accessible and empowering them to navigate the digital world effectively.